Hey, just figured I'd share a pretty quick and easy recipe that is a good side dish for whatever you're having. This is actually my husband's dad's recipe. It came from like a New York Italian family, and my husband came from a very southern family, and I've never had this dish before. And now it's a family household staple. Get you a little pack of bacon, and we're gonna fry it up. Let that bacon get nice and crispy. Wash your hands. Just realizing I don't have any onions. Whoops. Usually I do put an onion in this too. It is fine. We are gonna go ahead and wash our cabbage. Get the core out. Just do a little rough chop, whatever kind of sliced pieces you like. I can do like cut this in half. Must ask you a question about this. Stop playing with my food, I know. So sorry. Once your bacon crisps up like that, then add the cabbage. Cabbage is in. This is definitely going to cook down. Mix it around. Turn it to like a low heat. Let's add some seasoning. I don't have real onion, so we're using minced onion. I don't know, a good bit. Garlic. You could use regular garlic. It just depends on what you have. The blend. Daddle vinegar. Just like a splash. And can I say that when Bill's dad made this recipe, I did always think that there was like some sugar in it because the cabbage gets really sweet after you fry it. But he said the trick is time. So like let her simmer for a few hours, and the longer you let it simmer, the sweeter it'll get. I don't know, like an hour or two. But Bill's dad would let this baby go all day. I don't necessarily need it that soft, but we'll let her go for a little bit in his honor. Well, I might as well just share with you guys what we're doing for dinner tonight. Roasting like a wild hog that he had gotten on the smoker. Cabbage will pair really good with that. But like, you know me, gotta have a little fresh element. Gotta have a little bit of every food group. So I'm gonna make pasta salad. In half. I like my cukes with like half skin. But you do you. Cukes. Let's go for our celery. Into the bowl with the cukies. Red bell peppers. Oh my god, these are so pretty. And a yellow. We're gonna go for strips. And then, I don't know, maybe thirds. Also found some artichoke. A little of the artichoke juice in there. Quarter these. I missed. It's okay. I also found a can of cannellini beans and a can of sliced black olives. And I'm gonna drain these. But look how pretty. I'll probably just have it as a salad like this if you wanted to. Let's go ahead and make this dressing. A whole lemon. Some oil. Equal parts oil and vinegar. If I'm eyeballing it, maybe like a fourth a cup of each. You could do a dash of sugar. I just had honey right here. Just a little bit. This is the blend again. I'm out of salt and pepper. My son spilt it this weekend, the salt and the pepper that's individual. So I'm stuck with the blend until I go to the store. And then, of course, this is just some dried parsley, basil, oregano. I do a lot. I'm heavy on the herbs. Okay, mix up your dressing. The way Bill and I work, which I do love that we are aligned in this way. When we cook a lot. because then we don't have to cook the next day and we could just eat leftovers. We probably cook like every other day or two, especially if I'm not doing like a big meal prep on Sundays or something. So this, there will be leftover, but that's a good thing because especially pasta salad like this gets better with time. Taste test. We finally have our cold pasta. It's just, I think, 12 ounces of rotini. So good. We're gonna let her chill in the fridge. And then we'll see her for dinner. Let me show you what the cabbage looks. There's the cabbage. And she's ready. Here's what she looks like. So hot. She's perfect. Really good. The kids' plates.
Making me. That is a really. Give me another piece of bread. I'll make a.
Hey.
You know what we should do?
What? Grown-up plate. Grown-up plate. Grown-up plate. Here's how everyone did. He's licking his plate. That's what's left. Crushed it. Crushed it. Crushed it. Here's how the other kids did. Crushed it. Left the little veggies.
Oh, I know. They're not. They're not eating them.
This one doesn't love. But he did good.